Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today I want to talk about my beautiful kingdom, Benin Kingdom, my beautiful state, Edo State, and my royal palace. Now I want to talk about today. Please do bear with me. I'll be back. Okay, my brothers and sisters, you're welcome to my universe. If it's your first time of seeing my video, please do me a favor, subscribe to watch more of my video, hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. So my old subscribers that keep coming back, I love you in the name of love. I love you in the name of whatever you believe. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for contributing to my success. Thank you for encouraging me. Thank you for correcting me. I love you. Thank you very much. With that being said, I want to talk about something where they go viral now for social media again. As you all know, I like giving my opinion in some things. I like giving my opinion. I like making people see from my own point of view if they feel just change from the way they behave, with all due respect. You get one of my sister. I'm very sorry. I'm going to be mentioning name today. I did very sorry. I go to mention name today because when we they do something like no cover up, and we know they talk them out, make other people tell them another person go do on tomorrow. When small pikin do something, beat and come out, let them know say where they play they go, so children know they go there. I really want to appreciate my Edo Benin brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, aunties, uncle, all the prince and princesses, all the kings and queens of Edo Benin Kingdom. I really appreciate all of you who stand up, speak out, who really stand up as an Edo indigene, as somebody who really they respect our culture, our great father, Oba Ewa II, Oba Atokpe. I really appreciate all of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you very much. Thank you for speaking out. Thank you for standing as an Edo person. Thank you for standing up as a royal child. Thank you very much for speaking against this Laura Ben. I really do appreciate you. But waiting, I still not understand now why some of my brothers, why some of my sisters not they speak up. People will say they proud to call themselves Edo. People will say that they proud to have come from the royal land. They can't fire away my brothers, my sisters, can they fire Yemi Alade. I surprised say I know they see that kind of fire. I surprised say I know they see say my brothers and sisters they speak up when one girl wey not know what she they do, and I know if it say she don't know what she they do, she they form say she they feel say when she talk say she be Mami Water, when she talk say she be Ogbanje, when she talk say she be speaking from river, people go they fear her. People wait there for this earth, not they fear all those things. If na so all the Mami Water or the Ogbanje be say that they very low lit you for brain, I beg me they not try and near where people will get good spirit there because they'll too beat them. They'll too beat them. Make this madness, make my brothers and sisters, make we come out, make we tell this girl, make carry our madness, go somewhere else. Make we speak out. I beg each and every one of you when not they speak out. Make we start to they flog this girl in a responsible way. I don't say more carry and come and more embarrass her. No. More tell her say no, we don't play with our tradition. If they not teach her a lesson for house, may we the Edos wait there for diaspora, wait there for home, wait there for outside Nigeria, may we teach her a lesson because not be one person they born picking. This my sister fair make video. She talk about many things. People call it pity for her, saying juju na dey worry her, say na this na dey worry her. After I just like to dey make example so that make my brothers and sisters understand from where I from dey come, understand from my own point of view. Just see whether you fit make sense out of wetin I dey talk, with all due respect to everybody. Make we start to dey correct things wey not good, wey people dey post out, to beat them comot, let them know say that road una dey go na very dangerous way. So this my sister, people come dey pity for her. They say make they donate for her, make they take carry her go house, like say her enemy not dey okay. I saw the video, I just pass because I not just feel talk about that kind of video with respect to that my sister. Of recent, people send a video call for me where she don't come back from Nigeria, she don't do the alleged juju wey dey worry her. Then she can't come, the thing come worse. Wetin make me on my camera now, make my brothers and sisters wey be really indigenous of Edo State come out on social media, condemn these acts. Make we all say no to this kind of thing. Waiting I not forget now, why I know they see my brothers and sisters wey come the fire Yemi Alade. I don't see my brothers and sisters, I don't see social media they shake when this my sister just commit the highest abomination for the land. People they say now juju they worry, and which kind juju they worry that kind person? Where be say the juju not see road they repair the land, the juju not see the politicians, which kind juju not see corrupt politician make it come on them for road, make it go choose better people put for there. Which kind juju be that one wey go make you not know yourself? Which kind juju be that one? This message now direct to this my sister. What was her name? The thing they make me the verse. Her name na Laura Ben. So this my sister, they make me they really angry. If they not tell who they spoil land, say they spoil land, you go say in the repair. So I know they see social media, they shake say you dare not. This one not be crazy. If crazy they make person crazy, get where they carry people go. Not be those kind road where children on they pass. It gets some kind things where even our chiefs go fit pull mouth. Not be you where you not even know water where they put for eye. My beloved sister, I don't know why social media not they shake. When I make video about Yemi Alade, people not understand. My Edo brothers and sisters not understand. I even went as far to make example of sacred forest. When person we not know say that forest they sacred and he enter, he not intentionally do them. He just do them for positive purpose. I say when indigenous of Edo State know wetin that they do, go enter that forest, you will know say he just want to see wetin the citizens go fit do. I say when I talk for that my video, I said that lady never spit for our face. That lady never do anything to my opinion with respect to everybody. She never do something where we will just take they call her a different name. See our pikin, see our sisters. See our sister, one boy first do am. Of recent now, I don't want to talk about people who fed the door, more let bygone be bygone. But when we not start to speak out and say there are some place people know they go, there are some place you can go, then we all will know say we really the fact. We all will now be bold to say yes, we'll be Edo Pikin. You don't have to just come out and start raining course. Give message maturedly. Let people know say yes, you are a true daughter of the king. Let people know say you are a true son of the land. Speak with wisdom, correct people with love. This my sister, my advice to you, as people take am now say you the grace, I pray may you not grace. Use this your grace dance enter inside house, I beg you. Make I leave una with the video, make una just see say I not just dey provoke for nothing. Make una not feel say make una for see and picture where I from the come. Make una just see from my own point of view. Wetin make me dey emotional and so angry this evening. This one not be the first one wey she fit make. I just bring small out make una take see wetin dey make me dey vex. This out of many wey she do, this one a few inside. I no fit put all of them because we need to really tell this girl to go check herself. We need to help this girl in any little way we fit. The ones wey be prayer warrior, the ones wey get money to take her go psychiatry for here, make we abeg, make we help, because this girl is losing it. She's losing it. Please do bear with me. I will be back.
Ohama mugwa oriri magbe ko wa na tie mo meme. Ugwa ya amine. Abi biye do ni vivie juru wa kie. Nugwa jere dan red wa pe mekaba. Wa tamobu wa red mi na nani no wa uni. Gie wa via vivie ni ya joto because it dene mo do tsayewa. If you still want they talk about Oba, say I dey curse Oba, call me, send me your address. I go push this thing with water, come meet you for us. I no get joy. Oba when in nowhere. No naka we have view wa bogwa. Eri wala white men but ni no water. Oba sang because iya weke na teme anati sie edi wawale white men gbata iya mata mu gwa iya vie godi nu gwa vie boniya o wala woke ogi sege ni gwa ja vie mi nu wa ni binya ne na gwa na gwa ekwe edi na jo sisi ja gbelugwa na vie mi ya nu gwa na ta weti e white mi iya dulu gwa above you. Ebo ya rewe bo ya mo ya wa emi ro pa gire Nigeria a wa pe na asupe ezo ole.
Okay, my brothers and sisters, una hear the girl they talk. I don't want to use vulgar word for her, but my sister, this message now for my Edo people. This message na especially for Laura. Laura, my sister. Where you they play they go so children on they play reach there. Where you they play go so my sister, come back from her. You they go too far. My sister, you they go too far. You they go too far. They don't say me pikin not do teeth gang. May get lips we go fit take cover am. Am I when I walk and walk on ganya. So far no ma hwaru no ya go my sister. My sister deviate from this art. He get one boy wey still do this thing for I don't know the country where he dey. I beg Muna drop this thing when they do so. Muna stop because una they no do this thing. My brothers and sisters, when not understand that's my video when I make about Yemi Alade. That my video when I make for Yemi Alade. Some people not understand them. Look who really insult our father now. The one way praise wear the costume and the one way he just sit down, just feel saying to talk, just feel say nothing they happen because my father who do wrong now my Edo people. Hope you just understand when I they talk some things. Not be everything we will they use quarrel, fights, blow, wire, weapon. Not be everything will they use weapon till they do. There are some things we just let go as far as they not get bad intention. These people are just copycats. They just see people on social media. They like the way they behave and they want behave. They know they apply wisdom. They know they apply wisdom. Make my Edo people, make una beg. If we really they respect our land, let all of us condemn these acts. Social media not the hot now. Social media not the hot. This is where I called it hypocrisy. Now hear me for column say na resisting because the girl na Yoruba girl na do am. Now make many of us, majority of us come and say how dare you. Person wey praise our culture to to our own, I still keep saying it, please understand, when people do something to take offend you, when people do wrong thing with innocent mind, make we dey know. This my brothers and sisters, born of the same land, born from the same land, use the same royal sand say baff all of us. Now that they draw our father name for mud now, and none of us wey dey fire Yemi Alamide, all of us we call the fire Yemi Alamide, none of us dey talk now. All of us take am say the girl dey mad. When pikin do something with drink eye, treat am with drink eye. When we never use people take do example, they say na your blood you take show example to something, make outsider for the fear you. If they never banish some people, come up for Edo land, tell them say you are not from this kingdom anymore. Other people, I don't believe say they will get sense, because our father, na lovely sweet father, he just feel say children are children. We dey take am out of, we dey take advantage of them these days, with respect to everybody. I just hope you understand. I hope you see from my own point of view. I hope you just say no to some evil art where people they post for media. She said, see, some people just wake up and start saying nonsense. Feel say because you want make people share your video. I beg my Edo people, please stop sharing negative things. Una the reason until they bring bad to our reputation. All this video not be the one where they share. Video where they talk to our where small pikin we don't know how to wear slippers. Take romance give our kingdom. Not to talk of our father. We they share that kind of video. We they join the God. If you share the video, my sister, if you share the video, my brother, let them be say the video you they use until they correct this person. You they use until they tell us for proof. Say, see what you did, it was wrong. Not share them because you want make people see, say she they insult our father. It's really bad. I beg you all to please speak up now. This is when all of us need to show, say we be real full born of our great king. We be full king, queens, prince and princesses. Make we show them to our sister. When we not use our person, they show example. Other people not go know how we value our royal, how we value our royals. They not go know how our palace, our king, they sacred. They not go know until they use some people do example, banish some people from that royal land. Then they will know. Other person will know. Say when you not get identity for this world, you are worthless. When you not get where to just say you from come, you are useless. When they never teach some people lesson like that, people know they know. People know they know. I'm really angry. My sister, dance come back from where you they dance they go. Dance come back because you dey dance put for music where other people know they hear. Dance come back, my sister. Please do bear with me, my brothers and sisters, where not they hear my dialect. I want use music. I want use this medium to send message through music to this my sister Laura, so that when you they sing and they remember them, you will know, you will they remember say, even though you they crazy, you they remember say, this message now for me, I need to dance back. Laura me no vigio uidame ho oviedo me o denu kuriena kirevo ona yama meu toma la oviedo me ni rowa que ni risi wakao Obama ugboriri no waya wagi kao o de novo canjo nahi ainda na vembo Ayentenario Lawo Elora Vem Kire Bode Nurio Kire Bode Nurie Egbo Novoche Ijo Wani gbese sese Ijo Waya Ikere Wana Oba Maitiebo Enika Ogwina Wani Viedo Oke Nuwae Obama Enaya Zakon Elora Ugi Rekireo. I just hope, my sister, you listen and just retrace your footstep. As everybody they talk now saying a madness, my sister, let am be that madness for your pockets. Stop this video where you they do. Stop this dance where you they dance for this music where other people not they hear. Pity for your mama and your papa and enter house. E no get who your video they educates. E no get who your video they make sense to. E no get. You they mislead people. People where they call for this my sister program, they say na so na be Mami Water, na so na be Ogbanje, na so na be this one. I beg make una pack where. Make una enter isa house. If una not the shame, other Edo Bini people they shame for una. If una not the shame, make una know say people they help una the shame. If una not the shame to just to they bring our name come down like this, we the shame for una. Laura, I the shame for you. I the shame, like seriously, I the shame for you. I am proud to be an Edo girl. I am proud to be a Benin girl. I am proud to have come from a royal land. You are a disgrace to the land of Edo States. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to your family. You are a disgrace to every woman out there. If this is what you can offer to the public, if this is what you can offer to your community, you are disgusting. If now only this one you feel show the world, Mami Water where not they use brain. Which person say that they use on a private jets? You know the shame as you they talk. You know the reason. Because you they get 1,000 people where they watch your stupidity. What is wrong with you? Laura, why you feel? Why you just eat beleful? You feel say now to ridicule the name of Edo. Now go just give you joy like this. People will go to confess for this video. I beg all of you to stop that. That's rubbish. I beg all of you. If una be Mami Water, una be Ogbanje, una be this, una be that, una be fish, una be serpent, una be this, and una country still be like this. Bad people still they exist for that land. Cultists, they kill themselves. They kill your own brother. They kill your own sister. Mistake bullets. The other person go collect them. And una open a gutter mat. They say una be Mami Guinea. Una be Mami working. Una be Mami waiting. Laura, you they cry, say they tie you for ground. You wait, they just tie for ground. Now message they send you. If you wait, they just tie for ground. You don't know, say if people want finish you, they will just finish you. Which kind of Mami Water you be? What you did? What you do? Why they do you? What did they do now? Which kind of Mami Water you be where they tie you for ground? The Mami Water where you say you be, where send you come life. Now still somebody now send you come. If you be Mami Water. Now somebody now send you come. That's your master. No tell you say our king. Then we not be Mami Water. We will not be anything. We will just believe say the good spirit is the ultimate, is the Alpha and Omega. He not tell you say we there for the Edo States. He not warn you say we not they use our father to play. He not tell you say people where they verse when you talk about their papa. He not tell you say people they. You will still be servant, get the audacity to talk, say you want to sit down for my father's throne. Are you sick? Are you sick? I beg all of una, make we know wetin we dey do. I beg una, make una not just dey call for every live video where people open. Una not dey call because we don't know when our father take the verse. We don't know when our father take the react. We don't know when the ancestors of the land they verse. Make we be very careful. Make we be very careful. Make we not let our anger take the best out of us. If you want make person do something and the person only do what you want, no, say one day go do am. Say because you feel your personal opinion towards our great king. See, it does not give you the right. Does not give you the right to talk anyhow. With respect to you. Respect is reciprocal. Respect somebody and let somebody respect you. If my Edo people they do this thing, if my Benin people they say our father not be anything, what do we expect from outsiders? When my brothers and sisters know they speak up now, my brothers and sisters when come they shake social media. Excuse me. My brothers and sisters wey come dey shake social media, I surprised say I don't see social media they shake. I surprised say all of them keep themselves now. When somebody just measure our father name, when somebody just measure our father name, make we abeg, make we see good intention and bad intention. Make we abeg, make we promote love, make we beat children out of bad thing where they do. Make we not dey applaud them because we get personal opinion towards somebody. If outsiders they do them, if outsiders they throw mats they come give our father, we should be responsible and caring sweet enough to make that person understand. Say you dare not do that with something upstairs. Somebody, when you talk to somebody when not understand anything about your culture, you use blue stone, believe me, you go respect, and from that day go start to respect your culture because you respect your culture by presenting your case in a very matured way. You know if you say you want to represent our father, you know if you say you want to represent our daddy, you know if you say you want to represent our great king Oba Atokbe, our great king, the great Oba Ewa II, you know if you say you want to represent him, may you come they pull your clothes for public. May you come they say, oh no, this, that. You just they give the person reason why if I insult our father in the first place. Let's talk to people maturely. Let's send our message in a polite way. Let's send our message like people who really come from royal land. More send our message like king and queens who will be. More send our message like prince and princesses who will be. I beg you out there, my Edo brothers and sisters, be the change you want. Be the change you want. Stop calling on some program where you take the invite evil, can't give yourself. I beg you. I beg you. I beg you in the name of anything you believe. Like I talk just now, say if they fit teach the lesson, maybe they banish some of them from those states. It go still dey harsh. I just talk like that so that make some punishments there. For England, for UK, for Queen Elizabeth, nobody don't ever talk say me she comot for her seat. Say na he or she and their ancestors consent to consider for that throne. Even as they say the democracy rich, even as they talk anyhow rich. Chris person there for England. Chris person never made mistake talk that kind of way my sister talk. Even for Italy where they do royalty again before they first do royalty, but their governor, many people, me before I don't know say Italy get presidents. I don't know say they get president because the one they hear and Lord they say you dare not criticize him, you dare not dishonor him. You dare not. Let make people not know say president day. As Italians say that they craze rich. With respect to the Italian people, with respect to the Italians, as they say they craze rich, they know they come out for social media, may they mention that man name. For the law for here, see the man here, Sergio Mattarella. Sergio Mattarella, Italian president, anyone, I go bring and come out make una see am. Anyone who offend the honor or prestige of the president of the republic is punished with imprisonment from 1 to 5 years. You dare not. I never hear one person come out insult Queen Elizabeth with respect to all the England citizens. E no dey, e never happen for history. As e be say na democracy, they fit use her take crack joke, they fit bring out the funny picture of that is how democracy work. Because our father, because our king na educated person, you know, they talk, must we just start to just dey do anyhow for social media? I beg my brothers and sisters wey come dey talk say no, Yemi Alade insult our king. I want you all to speak out. I want you all to tell this girl to dance this Ekaba dance. Make she dance and go back to inside house, because where she dey play dey go, so e no good. Now here all of us supposed to come out speak. Not be person wey do our own innocently. Not be person wey never speak for our face. When we not talk out, now here I go for talk say some of us we call they criticize Olamide, we are racist. Some of us we call they criticize Olamide, we are sexist. We are sexist and racist if we don't speak out, if we don't stand as a royal child, if we don't stand to defend our father in a peaceful way. Let's send message with wisdom. Let's send educative message to people where they not train up, to people where forget their brain for heaven. Make we really send message to them and tell them we don't play with our king. Some people feel buy tiger, they use and they play for house. Doesn't mean say that tiger no know where heart beats dey. Some people feed buy lion for this Western world, buy lion put for house, to they use until they play like pets. They train her for Zoom. That lion, tiger, they play with them. Doesn't really mean they don't eat human being. Doesn't really mean you don't know where the hearts for the beats, even though it's small. Now because they feed them well, now make can never eat the owner. Now because they show and love, next thing make that lion still they look them. Not be say you know they eat, you know they suck blood again, or neither you know they eat flesh again. So I beg you, my sister, to retrace your footstep. I beg you, because the love way the Edo people they show our great King Oba Atokbe, now make can they overlook some things where they train for social media. Now make can they overlook things where some people they do for social media. Make we not let in fact, man, not even think on, man cannot even talk on. Man, not even talk on. I beg you, my Edo people, to please stand up before in fact, before you reach our papa hand. Make all of us stand up. That is how we know we are the children of the great king. So that more we know when the thought of chief start to come out to speak out of this thing, it will affect all of us in one or two ways. Because many of us not sabi control with who they talk for mouth. This Laura, all of you, even some people, when I make that video that time, some people not understand waiting and they try to talk. Some people feel say I join Yemi. Some people feel say I join Yemi Alamide. Some people feel say I join Yemi Alamide. No, I just say we should show love to people. Make we know when person do something intentionally, when somebody do something with I don't know rich, with innocent mind. Make we know. That was what I was saying. Because she don't know, does it make them right? I talk say no, you don't make them right, but some people still don't want to understand. Some people still don't want to see from my own point of view. Some people feel say I won't make outside that can insult our king, can insult our father. Over my dead body will I trade my rights for outsider. Over my dead body will I sell my father and my mother land just because I want view. No, I want peace to reign. I want my brothers and sisters to show love. If we really, they say, we they respect our king, to show love and represent him in a positive way. You they represent our king, you they represent our father, you they do bah, you they swear all the costs were there for this life, you they pick points without delivering, without sending your message with blue stone, without people understanding your points. What is the point? What is the need of you making the video? That was what I was trying to say. Sometimes when they give message out and they make bag, people know they understand your bag or even make people disqualify your video. Because you they do bag, people can look say you are not responsible, but what you be they talk make sense, make responsible, but the attitude, the bag, your body language will make people they fed up of what you they talk. They don't want just listening to what you they talk. Now make me do that video to just make people see from my own point of view. So people will not agree, we if say Yemi Alamide insult our beloved king, insult our palace, insult our royal land, make una come out now when this girl just shit for church, use Bible take clean ash. So make all of us come out to condemn this act, to say no, my sister, if you want to live long, turn back. As people just feel say you dey craze now, craze go back. I hope you understand. Laura, you don't know what you they talk. As people the reason you now say you the mad lawyer, take it from me. Take it from me, my sweet sister. As people just the feel now say na craze, na madness, use that madness dance enter house. As you tell they dance, they come and so this your full step. It no good, they make person leg they quick break. Pity for your mama, pity for your papa, pity for your siblings, pity for your generation, because when pronunciation come from the palace, you know they come to only you, it will go to your full generation. What millions believe will really happen for your body. Not talk say nothing they happen, because if me get time for believe say that's my palace can do great thing like that, millions believe, and now that millions believe could make it happen for you. I beg you, Laura, dance back. This road where you they go, so it's too narrow. This road where you they go, so not be for children. You don't know live where they put for eye. You don't know anything. Not just say because you want make people know you. You want make people share your video. You start constituting nuisance in public. You start showing people waiting you not be. You start lying. You feel saying that when you say you be Mami Water, now people will they run follow you. No. If you even want make people run follow you, say Mami Water, and I really send you. Talk things where go make people change from their evil way. Tell people how to love themselves. Tell people how to forgive others. Talk say na Mami Water send you come, may we forgive ourselves. Not be say they say you want kiss somebody. Mami Water where they kiss somebody, go tell somebody where send you come, say people where the good spirits create, they gidigba for this earth where you come. You're not just messenger. Respect yourself, my sister. Stop bringing insults to my royal land. Stop it. Stop it. If you not see who talk to you, talk to yourself. You don't pass 30 years as I look you. You are more than 30 years. Not reach 40 years, my sister, before you get sense. Our life, we as human beings, our real life, they start from 30. When you reach 30 years, you go start to think differently. Your way will change. The way you take the dress will change. Not be somebody will tell you say you mature. When you don't reach that age, 30 years, everything will change about you. Your way of reasoning, your way of thinking will change. If this one are the way where you want 30 years, want to change, my sister, go back to your 3 years. Go back to your 3 years. I'm really upset to see people with nothing upstairs come social media to bring the people where they try to do their best to just make the world sweet. I'm sick, I'm tired to be sick and tired. I'm tired to see people, they come out, they rub Edo name for ground. What is all this? What it be all this one? Why can't we just promote love? Why can't we just say good things? Why we want me bloggers just they carry Edo today, Edo tomorrow, Edo next tomorrow? Fine, I know bad things happens everywhere. I know say everybody they borrow in their own little way. But make we be same. Does this say those Edo people? No, when they come out, you know Edo people come out. Make we they forbid to lead good thing.
I understand. It happens everywhere. Don't get me wrong. I understand from your own point of view, my brother or my sister, where they think like this now, say, bad thing they happen everywhere. We they forbid to show the good thing. We will say, bad thing they happen everywhere. Now only Edo State people, not good thing for the happen. We they forbid. People where they call put for that program. Mami water no mami water. The good spirit no the good spirit. If good spirit wants send person come, he go send person of love, person of intelligence. If not so this mami water just dumb. May they not try and enter here. May they not try. What's all this now? What's all this? If una want view, una want dey popular, can't you just sit down and think of something you can offer to your public, to the public? Can't you just sit down and think of how you can change somebody's life? When you start to dey think what you go fit do for your country, now there you start to arrive. When you start to think for how you want to help crowd, how you want to help people, not persons, not be person, people. When you start to think of how you want to help people, that is how your blessing will be multiplied. Because when you do good for 1,000 people, the 1,000 people in future will come thank you, and people where they take will appreciate you. It don't arrive. But if you help only 30 people or only your family, now only your family member will sit around you for there. So make we beg, make we stop all these things. Make we correct people with love. More speak out, more tell people say where una the dance they go, so this una footstep will break una leg. We don't play with our king. We don't play with our royals. We don't play with our queens. We don't play because we get very, very sacred history where we know they use until they play with anybody. No matter who you be, even though you be a dope picking, you know if you say, they say, you know if you say because say you be a dope picking, may you can't use your mouth till they rub shit for public. No, we won't take it. We not go take them. You know if you say because say they talk for our parable say Asia man, may you really come and say because say you be Asia you want man. Now story. Now where they take spoil picking. Asia not they beat any man. Grandchild no, e not good for anybody to beat grandmother. E not good for anybody to insult elder. If you not be Benin and you they talk say what our king do, you don't like him, or you know you like our king in person, please I beg you pack away with all due respect. No culture, even if say you not come from my culture, no culture, no tradition. They teach nobody, no culture. Teach their children, teach the young ones, say you must insult your elders. In all day. So for that simple reason, please respect your elders so that your elders can respect you. I beg you all. Any tribe where you be, when all of us see bad thing, it no matter the tribe where you be, more stop this tribalism war. More stop this, oh, na bini that they chop yourself. No, it not good. It not good. We all are the same. One person on the born picking. One person on the correct person picking. You correct people with love. When you see something way not good, not talk say, oh, if I talk put, they will say I not be Bini. When you talk with wisdom, people will understand where you are coming from. I beg you all in the name of God. I beg you all in the name of whatever you believe. Please make we all let love reign. Make we all let love reign. If you not be my tribe, you the couple for this gay program, you are promoting hates. You are promoting disrespect. You are promoting. You they promote bad seed. I beg you, make we all stop, and no matter what the person do you, no matter what the person say person do, not take them into your hand, not let another person problem become your own. Run from people problem. Make people carry their cross. Not call in any program where you see say that they insult. That they insult people, royal fathers. When you see say that they insult elders, when you see say they call in program where be say that they insult people, no they call in that program. I beg you to put fire. Please, you be Benin, you be Edo, you be anywhere that for come from the world. Please, when you hate person, hate some for your own self, hate some for your own corner. Not split them out, not give people reason to hate this person. Please, not gather group of hates. The hate's not too much. Make all of us condemn what's not good. If I see what's not good for Yoruba land, if I see what's not good for Hausa land, if I see what's not good for the world, as the world your big so I go speak up, I go condemn am, because when I not condemn am, somebody fit see am for my own country, my culture, will copy it and do it. That is why not be one person dey born pikin. I hope you understand. I hope you see reasons for me. I hope my brothers and sisters speak up with love. Use blue stone. Send message to this girl. Say we don't play with our royals. Send message to this girl. Say no, our father na no go area. Make all of us send message to cut this thing short, to make am stop, make another person not start am, make another person not do am. I beg you all in the name of love. If you really say you dey respect our culture, you dey respect our king, you dey respect our royal land, speak up, condemn this act. I beg you, so that make somebody else not try am again. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Thank you, my brothers and sisters. If it's your first time of passing by, thank you very much for being here. Thank you for the time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you don't subscribe, please do me this favor and subscribe. Hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. Don't get it twisted. Don't get angry if this my video bring out the beast in you. It wasn't intentional. I hate seeing that beast in you. I just want to kill that beast with love. I love seeing the love in you. Follow me up on my Facebook page, Sophie Universe. Love you in the name of love. Love you in the name of whatever you believe. Till I come your way next time.